this is the time which I think took maximum.
Yeah, these are the kind of things that take time.
Right, they take
and
time.
It's very
because
painful
civil
process,
work,
I understand.
Yes,
Yeah.
that civil work and on this frame, we got an idea to create this frame because we wanted to have a little bigger look.
Yeah.
And lighting. So definitely, I wanted a very particular. I know much about interior and all, but I was very keen about lighting. Should be very nice.
Did you specifically choose these colors, or
Yes,
was
I
it
did choose.
you chose
I
the
chose
colors?
this color. Here, I think this initial he what gave was also good one, the olive and all. But I wanted something similar to my background because small house. I don't want to explain too much with the colors.
Yeah.
How do you generally feel about the fit and feel?
Oh, he's wanted to listen. Yeah, I really love it. This is one of my best space to come. Because this is what I wanted to.